Hi guys, here we have a beautiful exercise on prepositions at, in and on. Okay, so you have to fill all these blanks up with at, on, in. Okay, so first of all, let's see where do we use at. We use at for time. Time, I mean to say clock time, that means 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And if we talk about the meal time, bedtime, then also we can use at. Okay, now next is on. So where do we use on? For dates and days we use on. Okay, so now next is in. Where do we use in? For seasons, for months, and for years we can use in. Okay, and if we talk about centuries, decades, also we can use in. Okay, so let's start the worksheet. So the first sentence is blank 5 o'clock. Okay, when we talk about clock time, specific time, we use at 5 o'clock. So for time we use at. Okay, now next is blank February 20. Okay, this is the date. Okay, so for date we use on. So on February 20. Now next is blank 1960s. So this is the decade, and for decades we can use in. Okay, so in 1960. Okay, now next is blank your birthday. Okay, so it's a day. Okay, it's an occasion, it's a particular day, it's your day. Okay, so for days we use on. So on your birthday. Next is blank midnight. Okay, so if we talk about the time or the particular time of a day, we use at. Okay, so for a specific time we use at. Okay, now next is blank Monday morning. Okay, so we are talking about the day Monday. So for days we use on Monday morning. All right, now next is blank 2020. Okay, 2020 is a year. Okay, so for years we use in. So in 2020. Next is blank sunrise. Okay, so sunrise is a part of a day, specific time of a day, and for specific time we use at. Okay, as we have seen here, at is used for time or the breakage of time or the particular time in a day. Okay, and for that we use at here because we are talking about sunrise. Okay, now next is blank night. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one thing, tell you one thing, that you can see that these two blanks are having the same ending with the word night. Okay, now why I have given these two sentences with the same ending, because I'm going to tell you that if we talk about the whole night, we use at. Okay, but if we talk about the particular duration, in night, we use in the night or in night. Okay, so now I want to clear this thing with an example. If I talk about the whole night, okay, so where do we use at night? When we talk about the things which are taking place for the whole night. For example, we can talk about the people who work in the hospital, that they work at night because they work for whole night there. Okay, but if I talk about the particular duration in night, I would say it is in the night or in night. Okay, for example, I feel hungry in the night, so particular time I feel hungry. Okay, now next sentence is blank winter. Okay, winter, it's a season. For seasons we use in winter. Okay, now next is October, it's a month. It's a month. For months we use in. Okay, now next is blank 5th of July. Okay, so it is a date, 5th of July, and for particular dates we use on 5th of July. Now this one you have to tell me in the comment section what's the correct answer. Okay, it has date, it has month, it has year. So what's the correct answer? Do tell me in the comment box. Okay, like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.